On December 27, 2025, officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a reported family-related disturbance.
How's it going?
Oh, I've had better days, but got a son here who's under the influence of something and wouldn't let me take him home. Okay. So told him he'd better go peacefully.
Hey, how's it going? I got my Bodycam on. What's going on today?
We're all good. I think we're about to get in the...
You Cody? Does he live at this address?
We live up in... he's from North Dakota. I'm from up at Fargo-Moorhead.
Okay, and what's he doing over?
I visit my daughter and the grandkids, and somehow he found something to alter his state of mind.
Okay.
And I was going to try to drive him home, but he wouldn't fasten his seat belt, and then he wanted to take the key out of the ignition and slam it in park, so there's no way I could safely drive home.
So you guys both drove in this vehicle? You were...
Yeah.
Okay.
I was passenger, he drove when we came.
Okay.
And he was supposed to drive home because he's generally a good driver.
And this is family?
Yeah, my daughter and son-in-law.
Okay. And then you guys were about to leave, and then he just acting like this?
Well, we were going to stay 2 more days.
Okay.
Last night he got into something, and that's how he was last night. And we thought this morning he would be in better condition.
Hey, Cody.
I have nothing to say. I'm all good. I have, no, please don't touch my stuff.
You're good.
Okay.
This is the first major legal pivot. When Cody invokes the Fifth Amendment, he's referencing his constitutional right against self-incrimination. But here's the important clarification. Invoking the Fifth doesn't mean officers have to walk away. It doesn't stop them from speaking to you. It doesn't block them from investigating a disturbance call. At this moment, police are responding to a complaint involving possible intoxication and unsafe driving behavior. His refusal to engage may feel empowering, but legally, it doesn't prevent officers from acting if they have reasonable grounds. So the tension starts building right here. Is this a man protecting his rights or escalating a situation unnecessarily?
Fifth Amendment, please do not touch my stuff. Do not look in.
That's different. I'm just trying to talk to you. He's not going to give you the keys.
You've already f***ed everything up. Why the f*** did you do this?
Because I gave you a warning. I said, sit in your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and we can go.
We're not doing anything. We're not doing anything.
I told you they're going to take you down so you can sober up because you.
No, we're not.
You can't
No,
be
we're
here.
not.
Yeah.
No, we're not.
I'm afraid that's it.
No.
You don't have a choice.
No, we're not doing anything.
Right now, I'm your guardian.
Cody, can you just talk to us for a second, dude?
Yep, 100%.
Turn around.
Can we step over here and talk or something?
Yep, 100%.
Are those your shoes?
Yep, I'm doing this. Dad, stop.
Okay, put your
Don't
shoes
touch. Just
Yeah.
stand. Where did you touch my phone? Because you f***ed it. This is all up.
Yeah. Clean up your language, Cody. That's not you.
No, you f***ed. That's all up.
Cody, can we talk over here, dude? So, Cody, just talk to me what's going on, dude.
He f***ing threw my phone or something.
Did you have something to drink last night or something?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I did.
Because I could tell you're kind of appear intoxicated. You feel
Yep.
like you still are under the influence of something.
Yep.
Okay, just alcohol?
Yep, I did.
And then that's causing an issue between you and the family here? Is that what the problem is? So you got to understand, right? His concern is he doesn't want you behind the wheel. And I guess when you guys started driving...
I'm not going to touch you.
No, you're fine. You're like stepping backwards. So
No, I'm not.
Go ahead. You can close your door. You're fine.
Nope. Yeah, it's okay. I was security forces. We're all good, dude.
Okay.
We'll end up crashing because he grabbed the steering wheel and be trying to put it in park or whatever. You already did that here. I couldn't even leave. I've had enough. You can talk right here. What are you going to tell me? Dude, I don't have time for this. I got 0 sleep last night because of you.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Slept for 4 days.
Okay, so rub it on everybody, make everybody else miserable, huh?
No, I didn't call anyone.
You're not yourself, so.
I didn't do shit.
When my daughter doesn't want you around their kids in this state of mind, that's what you did.
Can I see your gloves? That's your glove.
Yeah. Okay. What are you stalling for?
Can I see the other ones?
The other what?
Your other hands. Nope.
There you go.
Nope. The other.
There you go.
Okay, but
There you go.
that's my phone.
Yes, it is.
No.
I told you I needed that to find my way home because I don't have GPS on my phone. All I have is flip phone, remember?
Okay, but I need that
To do what?
to stay here.
You're not staying here.
Okay.
Lindsay does not want you here. I don't want you here.
So my partner just went and talked to them. They want you banned from their residence now. So.
Okay.
This is the turning point. Once the homeowners say they want him banned, the situation shifts from family disagreement to a legal matter. In most states, once a property owner withdraws consent, you must leave. It doesn't matter if you're related. It doesn't matter if you arrive together. If you stay after being told to go, that becomes criminal trespass. Notice how the officers are still giving him options. They're explaining he's not in trouble yet and encouraging him to leave voluntarily. This is actually a clear attempt at de-escalation. But pride and intoxication can cloud judgment. At this moment, the smartest move would have been simple: leave. Do you think he realized how serious this just became?
So we got to hold up, Cody. Stop. We need to find a solution here.
Yep, listen.
No, you need to listen. I'm trying to talk to you, but you're not talking. You're not listening.
Go ahead.
We need to find a solution. What is the solution here? Because they don't want you here anymore.
My phone's right there.
He's concerned about you, and then you guys were trying to drive, and then you started throwing shit around.
No.
So what's the solution?
Tell me.
What should I do, Cody?
I'm asking you. I'm trying to have a conversation with you. What is the solution in your opinion?
I could.
Can you sit down in the car and just act normal and not try and grab the gear shifter or do anything while he's driving?
No, I could go sit in the basement.
They don't want you in the house. They don't want you in there.
Give me my phone.
For what? What are you going to do with it? Lindsay had it already with the GPS in there so I could drive home, and now it's shut off, so...
I'll drive home.
Yeah, you'll drive home, all
You
right.
can't drive a vehicle,
Well,
dude.
maybe I should let you drive, and then they have a reason to arrest you.
Good. You guys are
What?
We're just trying to come to a conclusion where can
I
you
know.
just be civil?
Yep.
Because this is your father, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Can you be civil and just sit in the car so he could take you somewhere else?
No, I'm.
They don't want you here, so you're going to be trespassed from here. Do you understand that? So you're not allowed to be here. So you need to leave.
It's like a restraining order, Cody. They don't want you on their property because you're...
This whole situation is just getting blown up for no reason.
All right, Cody, so here's the deal. They're going to trespass you from this location, okay? That being said, all right, I'm going to go do a ban notice. You're not in trouble or anything like that, okay? But it could turn into you being in trouble, okay, if you don't leave. So I'm going to go get this ban notice. It's going to be official paperwork through the city, okay? You are just not allowed to be here. You're going to be trespassed, okay? You need to leave off the property, all right? You do not appear to be in a state where you can drive. I would suggest having Dad drive you, okay? Because here's the deal. We're not going to let you drive. And
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
So, that being said, you don't leave, then you'll get cited for trespassing. So
Well,
I'm gonna go.
what do you want?
I'm gonna go do this paperwork.
What do you want to do?
Hey, Cody, you were just...
Don't touch me.
Cody, no one's touching you.
Don't touch me.
Cody,
I told you to do it half an hour.
he's fine. He's fine.
I'm gonna.
Cody,
Can I reverse this back?
we can't, dude.
Don't touch
No
me.
one's touching you. You were having a civil conversation. What happened?
What do you want?
I want you to sit in the passenger seat.
No, I'm not gonna, because I'm not gonna get a fucking DUI.
The
I'm
passenger
not
seat.
driving.
No, I'm driving.
I'm not. Yeah, you have the keys.
Yeah.
So he's
Sweet.
the passenger seat. He said the passenger
Good.
seat.
I'm
You-
not driving.
No, come on.
No.
Come with me
Don't touch
to the
me.
passenger
You're f***ing driving.
Okay, I'll sit in the
Okay.
driver's seat.
Reverse it then.
You come around the other side.
Cody,
Reverse it.
can you get in the seat? You guys have to leave. No one's touching you. What are you talking about? Cody, what's going on, dude? You got to leave the property
Why do I have to?
because they're trespassing you.
You know who these people are?
It's obviously your guys' family.
Oh, and where are we gonna go to?
I don't know, wherever your dad's taking you. Back
Where are
home.
we going?
We're going to Wapaton, North Dakota, so I can take you home.
It's either that or you go to jail tonight.
This right here is the fork in the road. The officer lays it out plainly. Comply and leave or face arrest. That's not a threat. It's a legal consequence. He's already been trespassed, which means remaining on the property is now unlawful. The officers are still trying to engineer a peaceful solution, even negotiating about GPS access just to help him get home safely. Ironically, Cody says he doesn't want a DUI, which is responsible thinking, but at the same time refuses the steps that would prevent further charges. This is where decision-making under stress becomes critical. If you were in his shoes, would you swallow your pride and leave, or stand your ground?
Lindsay is actually serious?
No, I'm serious.
No, Lindsay.
Yeah, right now, yeah. You have a restraining order on this property because of the way you've acted. Do you have a direct number I can get you if something happens while I'm on the road?
Just call 911. That way you could get you.
Are you kidding me?
Cody,
I'm not.
Cody,
This is
Cody,
serious.
come on.
This is serious.
Get in the passenger seat.
This is actually serious? Holy f***.
We're
I
not.
thought
This isn't a prank, dude. What are you talking about? Like, we're not here just for the fun of it. Your family's concerned. They don't want you here because you're acting up. You're trying to do all this crazy shit. Go get in the passenger seat so your dad can drive you home. What's your passcode for your dad so he could does GPS?
How do I-
What's your password?
Don't touch my phone.
He just wants the GPS.
No, don't touch my
I
phone.
have your phone.
Don't touch my phone.
Okay, you
Don't touch it
turn
either.
It on. Turn it on so I can get the GPS to know how to go home.
No, put the keys in.
Just don't touch
We
anything.
already went through this.
Put the keys in.
Put your seatbelt on.
Put
Put your
the
seat. I'm not telling you to put your seatbelt on.
Cody, you need to listen, dude. Put your seatbelt on. He's going to drive you, but he needs to know the map.
In.
Okay, put your seatbelt on.
Turn it.
No, not till the seatbelt's on.
Start it.
If you don't follow what I tell you here, you sure as heck ain't going to be doing it when I'm going
Sure.
70 miles down the highway.
Start the truck.
So you got that paperwork done yet?
Put the keys in and start the truck.
Put your seatbelt. As soon as this started,
Yep,
the
and then
seatbelt goes on.
turn it.
I'm shutting it off again.
Yep.
All right. There you go. Yeah. Can you give your dad the GPS so he knows where he's going?
No.
See? Not gonna work.
Cody, he needs the GPS.
No, we're not.
Okay, how do I get home then?
Here's your trespass notice. Okay, you're not allowed to be here.
Can you read that to me?
No. You need to leave the property.
Oh, I can't read it.
No, that's right, man. So you're supposed to be on the way home.
Okay. Well, drive.
Okay, you got the key.
If you're prior military, dude, why are you acting like this? I'm prior military. You know you shouldn't be behaving like this. And he's your fucking dad, dude.
I know.
So put the key back in there and give him the GPS. Stop acting like this. Start the GPS for your dad.
It's locked in so I can find my way home.
Talking about being a service member, dude. Act like one. Just start the GPS. Cody, come on.
Cody, at this point, man, you are
We're going
trespassing.
back to bed.
If you refuse to get off this property, you'll be cited for trespassing.
You can't be
If you
here.
leave after that, you will be taken to
This is a
jail.
restraining order. You cannot be here.
I gave you a. I handed you stuff.
Then why are you standing there instead of sitting?
Because I was.
Yeah, so that's what I'll end up with. We have
You
everything
can
here.
stay here and I'll drive home.
Oh, okay. Let's do
Good.
that.
Get out.
Let's do that.
Get the f out.
And then you can lose your truck, lose your driver's license.
I won't lose my truck.
But you won't even make it out of the driveway.
God, I love to deal with this fucking shit.
Cody.
How's nuclear missile security?
You never know it now.
You gotta go back over there.
No, do
You're
not.
You're trespassing from this property. You've already been.
You
asked to
cannot.
trespass once.
You cannot.
No. Don't do that.
You cannot block me.
No one's blocking you. You're not allowed to
you
go over
cannot,
there. Come on.
You cannot block me. Do not
No.
touch me. You want a lawsuit? Dude.
Relax.
And this is where it crosses the line. Once he attempts to move back toward the property after being formally trespassed, officers now have clear probable cause to arrest. When physical resistance enters the picture, pulling away, refusing commands, that opens the door to obstruction or resisting charges. Notice how quickly the officers shift from conversational to command tone. Put your hands behind your back. That signals the end of negotiation. Mentioning lawsuits in the heat of arrest is common, but legally it doesn't stop the process. At this point, the question isn't about family drama anymore. It's about compliance with lawful orders. Do you believe the arrest was justified based on what we're seeing?
Do you want a lawsuit?
Relax. You gotta
Let
stay over
go
here.
of me right now.
Stay over here. Come on.
Let go of me. Dude.
Stay over there.
Dude.
Just stay over there.
No. If you want a lawsuit,
Listen.
listen to
I'm
me.
telling you nicely.
Do not
Don't
touch
grab
me.
me. Don't grab me.
Don't grab me. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing anything, dude.
Put your hands behind your back.
You want a lawsuit on you? Okay. I'm not doing anything at all. After a day after Christmas.
Come on.
Which one?
Make sure you're nice and tight in there. All right, man. Give us a minute.
Cody. Security forces, Air Force. Literally. Sweet.
All right, I'm going this way.
There's a longer process.
Now we're in the custody phase, and the officers clearly outline the charges. Criminal trespass and resisting or obstructing a police officer. They even provide a court date, January 15th at 9 a.m. That's due process unfolding in real time. What's striking here is Cody's repeated denial. 0. Psychologically, that's often a refusal to accept the reality of the situation. But legally, acknowledgement isn't required. The charges proceed regardless. And officers even warn him that continued noncompliance in jail could add more charges. Once you're in custody, cooperation becomes crucial. At this stage, the case is no longer about alcohol or family tension. It's about conduct during lawful detention.
Cody, you're going to get charged with 2 different things today,
No,
okay?
I'm not going to charge with anything.
No, that's
At
why
all.
you're at the jail.
Nope,
right?
nothing.
So you're getting charged with trespass,
Nothing.
okay?
Nope.
So you'll have a court
Zero.
date January 15th, 9 in the
Zero.
morning, in Law and Justice Center
Zero.
here in Bloomington.
0.
You're also going to get charged
Zero.
with resisting or obstructing a police
Zero.
officer. That same
Zero.
court date, January 15th,
0.
9 in the morning. Okay?
0. 0. Cool. 0. Hey, look.
Hey,
Dude, look.
hey, this is not what we're gonna do. Hey, you're not doing that. You're not
Cody,
doing
chill, dude. You're going to pick up more charges.
So this is actually...
This is
Real.
jail. Yes,
This is real
Regardless of you want to believe it or not, you need to put your hand up here. So you can take the other handcuff off of you and get processed. So you can get released. Now put your hand up.
Dude, I already did this when I was in the military.
This is in the military.
Stop breaking my wrist.
I'm not.
Stop.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
Release.
No,
Stop.
No.
No. Stop.
Hey,
No.
no.
Stop. No. No. I'm telling you.
You guys
This
want
is
it?
not what we're gonna do.
I'm telling you. Dude, I was just telling you to. What the?
Dude.
I wasn't even. Dude, I'm not even doing anything.
Hey, sit down.
I'm not even doing anything.
Yeah, he still has cuffs on.
Dude, I'm not even doing anything.
Put him on his knees? Yeah. Go to your knees.
Okay, I'm not even doing
Hey,
anything.
listen.
Are you listening to me? I told you I'm not even doing anything.
Don't tighten
Listen,
up.
I'm not even tensioning.
Just relax.
Don't touch my chain. Don't even touch my chain.
Dude, we gotta take it off.
I'm
Turn
not.
away from me.
What?
Turn away. Turn away from me.
What?
Turn away from me.
Okay. What?
Right
Okay.
there.
What? I'm not even doing anything.
Okay.
Let's break this down professionally. Officers responded to a family disturbance involving alleged intoxication and unsafe behavior. The homeowners withdrew consent for Cody to remain on the property, triggering a lawful trespass notice. Multiple opportunities were given for voluntary compliance. When he refused to leave and physically resisted officers, he was arrested and charged with criminal trespass and obstruction. Legally, the foundation of this case rests on property rights and compliance with lawful police commands. This situation highlights how quickly emotions, pride, and impaired judgment can escalate consequences. Could this have ended differently? Absolutely. Was the arrest legally supported based on the footage? It appears so. Now we want to hear from you. Who do you think escalated this the most? Was this preventable? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.